Hey guys, Jessica here. These are really great for gifts, so I wanted to go over the contents that are inside. We do have a couple different styles of the bag, but everything in the inside is the same. So we're looking at a sample of our Brightening and Balancing Face Oil, which is one of our great hydrating products. A sample of our Rosewater Toner, which is one of our best sellers and amazing for everyday use. We also have a mini lip scrub, which are really great at getting rid of that dead skin and hydrating, followed with a lip balm and a sample of some of our face masks. And every kit has a different kind of mask. This happens to have our rose clay mask, which is really great for rejuvenating. So what's great about these is they're good for you if you want to try products. They're also really great to gift because they're so cute, and it gives people the opportunity to try something new that they may have never tried before in a very small size. And if you're new to Wildflower Beauty by Jessica, this is a really great option for you to try a lot of our best-selling items without having to get the full size. So this is great. We have a few different styles. At least I'm a Hot Mess is our other bestseller. We hope that you give them a try.